You did not come here by chance. Something inside you stopped you. Something made you click this video. You may not understand why, but Allah knows. Right now, you might be feeling tired. Not just physically, but deep inside your heart. You try to stay strong in front of people, but when you are alone, your thoughts feel heavy. You think too much. You worry too much. And sometimes, you feel like no one really understands what you are going through. But Allah understands. He knows every thought in your mind. He knows every pain in your heart. He sees the struggles you hide from everyone. He knows the tears you never show. Even when you feel alone, you are never truly alone. Allah is always with you. Maybe life feels confusing right now. Things are not going the way you planned. You had hopes. You had dreams. But something changed. Some doors closed. Some people left. Some plans failed. And now you are asking yourself, why is this happening to me? There is a reason. Sometimes, Allah removes things from your life to protect you. Sometimes, He delays your success to prepare you. Sometimes, He puts you through hard times to make you stronger. You may not see the full picture right now, but Allah sees everything. Think about your past. There were moments when you thought you would never get through something. You felt broken. You felt lost. But somehow, you made it through. You are still here today. That was not your strength alone. That was Allah helping you. And He is still helping you now. Even if you feel weak. Even if your faith feels low. Even if you feel far from Him. You can always come back. Allah never closes His door on you. You do not need perfect words. You do not need long prayers. Just speak from your heart. Tell Him what you feel. Tell Him what you are afraid of. Tell Him what you want. Tell Him what is hurting you. He is listening. And when you turn back to Him, even a little, He comes closer to you more than you can imagine. Do not lose hope. Your life is not over. Your story is not finished. This difficult time is just one part of your journey. Better days can come. Peace can come. Happiness can come. But you have to trust Allah. Even when it is hard. Even when things do not make sense. Keep believing that something good is being planned for you. You are not forgotten. You are not left behind. Allah knew you would watch this. And maybe this is your sign to slow down, to think, and to come back to Him. Take a small step today. Make a short dua. Even one sentence is enough. Sit quietly for a moment. Let your heart feel calm again. You will feel the difference. And if this message touched your heart, take a second. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more reminders like this. Because sometimes, one message at the right time can change your heart forever.